Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Sir Paulino Artagailo. Sir, good day. By the way, I am April Rose Tibilnaca and I am a polygraph examiner affiliated with Forensic Group of Regional Office. So, we are going to examine of this signature which the affiant, Ms. Aljan DBE Mabini.
What are your personal data or what qualifies you as expert witness in QDE?
By the way, I am April Naka, the Christian Document Examiner. I affiliated with Forensic Group Regional Office. I underwent special training and Christian document examination, including handwritten analysis, signature, verification, and examination of disputed documents. Through my dedication, laboratory training, and actual examination experience, I am qualified to render expert opinion in the field of Christian document examination.
How did you receive the evidence specimen as part of the Forensic Group Regional Office?
The evidence specimen was properly received by the Forensic Group Regional Office through a formal request for laboratory examination together with the submitted question and standard specimen. Upon receipt, the evidence was properly recorded, marked, and subjected to proper chain of custody procedures to preserve its integrity before an examination.
How did you use the ACV methodology in your specimen examination process?
And examining the specimen, I used ACV methodology, which stands for analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. First, I analyzed the characteristic of the question and standard specimen. Second, I compared the significant handwritten and features of identifying characteristics. Third, I evaluated the similarities and differences to determine whether the originated from the same writer. Lastly, the findings were verified to ensure accuracy and reliability for the examination of the result. And that would be the Q&A for this video. And that would be all in this video. Thank you for watching.